If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon on the YouTube app and you will never miss any new videos that we release. You want to know why I'm so happy? That's because of you. Thank you to you. We are now past 100,000 subscribers.
Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Who could come now? Hey, what's happening to my video? This is what is happening to my video. Look what just came. This is the silver play button from YouTube. Because of all the love that you guys have showered on The Art of Science over all these years, we have finally hit the 100k subscriber mark. And now we're going to do a really fun unboxing of this play button. Today, on this Valentine's Day, we at The Art of Science are celebrating love, the love for science. And this celebration has gotten even better with this silver play button. The Art of Science was started as a fun science channel, but it has been so much more than that. Over the years, the channel has seen numerous experiments, encountered multiple recognitions, so many guest appearances and whatnot. It even received a monetary fund from YouTube. We have put things in fire, blown them away, experimented with water, experimented with paper, experimented with gas, tapped upon magnetism, tapped upon electricity, shared fun hacks, recorded vlogs. Oh my god, the list is just unending. Today the channel has over 600 videos. The 100k subscriber mark is truly a huge achievement. And we want to extend a thanks to each and every one of you who have showed us all this love and supported us to reach this benchmark.